In this video, we're going to show you how to set up and use quotes for Eve. So to set up a quote, this is if a customer wants to buy something and not purchase it straight away, or is interested in some items and can't pay for them straight away. The easiest way to set up a quote is to go into Sales and click Quotes and New. You want to type in the customer's name and find the customer in particular, and then you can highlight and click OK. And now we want to start to add the specific items that they would like to buy in future. So what I'm going to do is just go into Stock Items and Search, and I'm going to choose a BCD for this person that they're interested in. I'm also going to have a look, and he's also interested in a particular mask, and let's give him a snorkel as well. Okay, now we've got to this particular point here. If the customer did change their mind and they wanted to, instead of save a quote, actually purchase it straight away, then we've got the option down at the bottom here just to click Send to New Invoice. So this will not save it as a quote, but will just take you to the Sales and Invoice section straight away. If it was a quote that they were after, then if you simply click Save at the bottom right hand corner just here, it's going to come up with some print options. So do you want to send it to printer, print it to screen, Word for Windows, email, or for a file. Now I'm just going to click Cancel here. I don't want to print the quote out at all, but it is going to save it, and that's going to go onto their customer record. Now, if you want to find out where that's saved to, if I go to that customer record and I click Find and open up the customer here, if you then go into the modules on the left-hand side of the customer, you've got Sales Related. Just expand that. You can click or hit the plus button, and in there you've got the option of quotes. If I double-click it, you can see here that they've got a quote that's set on this particular date. And I can open that quote again and have a look at it if I wish. There. Now you do have the option, if you want to, customer comes back in and they want to actually purchase those items now, you simply go into Sales, go to your quotes and find, or you could do it via the customer record. Find your customer, type them in, that will find the quotes that are applicable to them. And I can, again, just open that quote up. Now I want to go back down to the button at the button at the bottom right-hand corner. Simply click Send to New Invoice. Now that's going to ask me, do I want all of those items to appear on the invoice? And it's pre-checked all of them. And I could just click OK, and that would add it straight into the invoice. If I didn't want to have all of them, I wanted just one or two, then I can click Deselect All and simply put the check boxes into the ones that I do want sent to the invoice. In this case, he's going to have everything. So select all and click OK. And then here we just process it as a normal payment, as a normal invoice. Click Payment, choose the method you want to pay, and then simply click Save. And now that is the quote is closed, and also it's gone straight to invoice, and the invoice is now saved against that customer record.